Ditch the project chaos and say hello to streamlined scheduling using Basecamp's built-in calendar. Let's get you organized in just 90 seconds. First, log into your Basecamp account and navigate to the project you want to schedule. Look for the calendar section. In the project's sidebar, it's usually located among other tools like messages and to-dos. Click on calendar to open it. Now, to create a new event, look for the new event button. Usually in the top right corner of the calendar view, click on it to open the event creation form. In the event creation form, start by giving your event a clear and descriptive name. This will help everyone understand what the event is about at a glance. Then, select the date and time for your event using the calendar and time pickers. Next, invite the relevant team members. Basecamp lets you choose exactly who needs to be notified and involved. You can also add a description to provide more context or details about the event. Don't forget to set reminders. Basecamp allows you to configure reminders so you and your team receive notifications before the event starts. You can also set up recurring events if it's a meeting or deadline that happens regularly. Once you're done, click Save Your Event. It is now visible in the calendar and everyone invited will receive a notification. You can drag and drop events to reschedule them and easily add details by clicking on the event. Use colors to differentiate event types. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Basecamp calendar. Now you can keep your team aligned, hit your deadlines, and finally conquer that project chaos.